I'm Andre Greene with the Yateman Group, Long and Foster. I've been with the team for a little over a year now, and I'm in sales. And I really enjoy it. So I grew up in Charles City County, lived there most of my years, and then moved to Chesterfield. My background stems from some time in the mortgage industry, about 20 years in the car business, which I really enjoyed, learned a lot. Also, I'm a licensed insurance agent, so kind of rounded everything to come back to houses which I've sold in the past before. So pretty rounded in most areas. Wow, just a different industry. This may sound kind of crazy, but seeing a home start from foundation to completion is really enjoyable, calming, so to speak, as well. I love the smell of wood cutting, burning, so it's just really relaxing for me. The reward of just seeing families come together and building a dream. You know, so many people are going through so many different things right now, so seeing them transform from a smaller home that doesn't quite fit to seeing something that they really put some work and effort into, and seeing that come to fruition. It's just a family. I've never been on a team that actually encompasses a family setting like the TYG team does. Lots of beautiful women and crazy guys, so how can you go wrong there? Oh wow, the best experience was probably one client that bought 2 houses from me. So when I visited her the other day, and she's got an Aussie dog, so when I went to the house and took her closing gift, the dog met me at the door and was just all over me and gave me the biggest dog smile you could see. So it just made me melt. Really sweet. Well, fun, interesting fact, again, I love to cook, so cooking is kind of my passion. It definitely relaxes me. I like trying new recipes. I never try to do the same exact recipe twice. Always try to tweak it a little bit. So a lot of people know me for cooking, but it's just very relaxing for me and very rewarding. That's good.